This video is part of a series of videos presenting features developed in an EU-funded research project called FEAT, Features for Accessibility Through Templates. The project has developed built-in features in authoring tools to support web authors to create accessible content using Episerver as a model. The templates shown in these videos are downloadable free of charge from the Episerver marketplace. Each item on the website needs to be accessible. By making sure as much as possible is accessible and consistent by default, the web author doesn't have to be an accessibility expert to publish accessible content. Images are very important in web content, especially as many end users have problems reading text. But photos and illustrations that explain the content are useful to all of us and help us understand the content better. However, for end users that are unable to see the visual content and use a screen reader to read the text, the purpose of meaningful images needs to be described in an alternative text that can be picked up by the assistive technology. If the image is purely decorative, that needs to be marked up as well. On your article page, it's easy to add an image. The media archive is located to the right. Drag and drop the image into the predefined area on the article page. It's easy to add an alternative text because the input field is close to the image and it makes it a natural flow before publishing. If I forget to add an alternative text, the feature will stop me from publishing. I'll show you how that works. Let's try to publish. As you can see, there's a warning sign saying, "Something went wrong, the alternative text field is required." To be able to publish this picture, I need to add an alternative text. Screen reader users will be read the alternative text to better understand an on-page image. If my alternative text is too short, the feature would also warn me. I don't get a warning anymore, so I can publish the image. This is a very useful feature for web authors, as it makes it impossible to publish a picture without an alternative text. If the image you publish does not reveal any meaning, like a design element, it should always be marked as decorative. We hope you will use the features described in these videos to create accessible web content in an easier way. You can find the technical specifications and more information about the features at www.funka.com/feat. Please do reach out if you need any support in implementing the templates or if you have any questions. You can always contact us at research@funka.com.